Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Z650. Twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled, naked sport bike. Beautiful condition, showroom condition really. Matte white finish with metallic sparkle black highlights, brand new tires, 10,300 miles. I love that green frame. Come on by, make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $52.99. This is a great bike for the money. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.